Unahin ko po muna ang mga naririnig ko at narinig ko rin na nasabi ng membro ng Kingdom of Jesus Christ na sala manggunitanan ni Inday Sara, umidagan pa siya presidente, dili ta magkalisod-lisod ani atong nasod. In another forum, I will thoroughly explain myself kung bakit ganon ang nangyari at ganon ang desisyon ko. Pero sa ngayon, hinihingi ko lang ang patawad ninyo na nagkamali ako. Nagkamali ako sa paghingi ng tulong at suporta nyo para kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. I was on the mistaken belief that we were together on the platform of unity and continuity. Nagkamali ako, kaya hinihingi ko ang patawad ninyo.
Sir, si VP Sara nag-apologize sa mga KOJC members for asking them to vote for you.
Sir prerogative. I still don't understand why. That is your wish. Wala tayo
So wala na ho, wala na kayong communication ng Vice President?
No, not at all. Not at all. The last time I spoke to her was when she handed me her resignation. We haven't spoken since.
And then yung ano po, yung sabi nila lagi, this is all politicking. Yung mga lumalabas po na investigasyon, there's even a threat of impeachment against the Vice President. Ito daw po ay pamapolitika.
I don't know where all of that come from. This is a budget hearing. Hindi naman pinag-usapan. This is something that every single government agency has to do. It's a hearing. There's no politics in it. We do it every year. We do it with the same department. We do it. That process is well established and it has nothing to do with that. It has to do with the budget. So I don't know how she can characterize these things, which is essentially an information gathering exercise for the House and for the Senate, so that they know what the budget will look like. So malayo sa politika yun.
Mr. President, thank you. Thank you.